These are the Fabulicious LIP-101 with a 5-inch heel. If you would like to buy them, I'm going to put the link in the description. Hello, I'm Celina and I'm from Germany, and I'm today here at Shoes of Hollywood, and I'm going to review these shoes called LIP-101 in 5-inch heel for you. Let's have a look. Those shoes coming like a nice blue bag, which is really good for traveling, so you can just put it in your suitcase. So we got those shoes in those little blue bags here. They remind me really on like Cinderella shoes. Look really nice, really comfortable, with like a really cushy hologram sole. Looks really elegant. A nice plateau form and a black heel. So they got like a clear plastic upper here. You can just stretch it a bit. I got the shoes in like size 8 and they fit perfect. So I'm gonna try the shoes on and have a little walk so I can tell you how easy it is to walk in these shoes. Yeah, they fit perfect. So let's have a little walk. Oh yeah, they are really, really comfortable. It's really nice to walk in them because of the cushy sole. I would wear those shoes, for example, for like a nice dinner. They are really fashionable because of the clear plastic upper. And they also would actually get with like every outfit. Either a black leggings or a blue jeans. So I'm gonna go outside now with you because I know you wanna see the shoes outside in the sunlight. So I'm gonna see how I can walk in them outside. It's really, really hot today in Australia. Really hot. So what, they are really easy to walk, really nice. It is really hot today, I must say that. So I hope you can give us some comments and some likes and tell me what you think about the shoes and if you would buy them. So we are on our way back now to the shop. So I'm going to get the shoes off now. I really hope you liked that video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and leave me some comments if you would like to buy these shoes. Bye!